What's up, it's Winston here, and it's another adventurous day for Funkykit. I'm super excited because we're outside the DJI store, and we've been invited by DJI to pick up the latest Mavic Air. So let's go and get it. They're testing their drones in that little net behind us. So we're going to pick up our little Mavic Air. But we'll be going to go and test it and check out what other function it has and compare it with the Spark as well as the Mavic Pro. So let's go and check it out. So we're outside and we'll be test flying the Mavic Air. Before that, we'll do a quick unboxing and see how we connect the phone to the controller and from the controller to the drone. So see you in a bit. The Mavic Air, let's do a quick unboxing. This is a review sample, so it's already been opened. So let's take a look. Alright, so straight up there's your drone. Obviously with the retail box, it'll have packaging around that. Okay, there's the drone. Alright, it's the accessory box. Let's take a look. Alright, yeah, we got the blade guards. Blade guards, yep, 2 sets. One for each blade, there's 4 of them. We also have spare blades, a pack of 4. Instructions, quick start guide, an intelligent battery, disclaimers, yeah, propeller guards, yeah. Okay, another accessory box. This is power pack, I believe, yeah. Yeah, power pack. Some more cables to connect. Yeah, the phone, things like that. USB charging cable. Yep. These are thin controllers. Yeah, the power pack. I've got the UK plug one here. Yep. What else is there? Yep, just the power pack. And then the actual controller. So, yep. Controller. Your iPhone or your smartphone, whether it's Android, can actually fit there. You've got the cables to go with that. And then controllers, yeah. Got built-in ones here, you just screw on that on top like this. Like so. And then we're ready to go. Phone sits there. Just give you an example. Lock that there. And away you go. Okay, so that's your controller and the actual drone itself. So this is the DJI Mavic Air. Very compact, smaller than the Mavic Pro, slightly bigger than the Spark, so it sits in between. The blades and the propellers, the arms actually flip out, very much like the Mavic Pro. So the front blades and the propeller arms come out like this, and the rear ones just twist and comes out like this. So there you go. This is the Mavic Air. On the other side, then, before flight, make sure you take off the gimbal protector. So that comes off like this. And then you can see the gimbal there, the 3-axis gimbal, very nice. Battery pack, unlock, pulls out, very easy. Each battery pack gives you about 20 minutes flight time, so recommended you get spare batteries as well. And a range of sensors here, obviously in the front there, and the back as well. And interestingly, you have these foldable legs which help with the landing. And here at the rear, you can see if you flip out, as you put your SD card right there, micro SD card, and there's the USB C charging, as well as the update firmware and so on. Alright, this is the button. So what you need to do is you push once, hold it down, you see it, and you see it's actually on now. and then you just literally hold that button down and then for it to start. So let's do some flying. Alright, so we're going to connect the phone to the controller. All we have to do is select the DJI app and then select the aircraft, or you say the drone that you want to control, and basically then you want to start the flight, and we have the controls ready to go. You see it's connected. Do some calibrations if you want. Loads of options here. It's recording to SD card at the moment. You can select the different channels as well. Tells you the, here you go, a Google map right here. Well, it appears to be a Google map. And yeah, it literally has all the controls you want. Start recording here. Push a button there. You have also here as well, take photos, start filming. It's a return to home button here. Pause the aircraft. It's sport mode, and yeah, very easy to control. I think this is one of the best drones available for the price and for the size and for the functionality. So let's go. Let's do some filming. Take off. Again, like the DJI Mavic Pro as well as the DJI Spark, the DJI Mavic Air is super easy to control. The GPS enabled controller allows great distance coverage, up to a maximum of 10 kilometers. The Mavic Air features a three-way precision sensoring system for forward, backward and downward. This allows superb collision detection with a range of 0.5 meters to a maximum of 12 meters. The Smart Capture function allows hand gesture control of the Mavic Air. You can actually launch and control the drone as well as take photos and videos. Following me. With the active track function enabled, you can follow the selected target even when they're running, jumping or even cycling. Okay, now let's take some nice aerial footage with the Mavic Air. We set up outside our office in Hong Kong. Condition is cloudy but dry with a little wind. We took the drone 300 meters up into the air with a range of about 1.5 to 2 kilometers. We also filmed the footage at 1080p at 25 frames per second. The Mavic Air does record 4K video at 30 frames per second, but we opted to film at 1080p for easier editing. One of the best features I like about DJI drones is the return home function. I never have to worry about flying the drone back or even know its location. Just hit the return home button and the drone flies back itself. That's just superb. It's returning home. Pretty cool, huh? I love the return home. I got some great footage as well. And there you have it, our hands-on and first look at the DJI Mavic Air. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like and please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can purchase the DJI Mavic Air on Amazon via the links below. So until next time, this is Winston for Funkykit.com.